Dr. Amanwa Director ka Health Service hanya ka arpo itarik unai lur aja arpo ula pentip bikla don lain ngut ki baklat no COVID-19 mendagasngi tambah yu wei ni kini ki baklat la Khein Sha Assam namaru la yo COVID-19 lupa na Assam uniu breu bana Assam u baklat Megalaya ude ula tip kerteng kemuranjit Kumar Das hanya pesan senam kerta baru bedai na Karimganj Assam berbulawan Pak Sumar Hanigrims haka arpo itarik unai lur aja arpo berklat no hanya kasngi ka arpo itarik unai lur aja arpo haka por shipo bejimen step.
Another report was received today from Nigams. Name is Mr. Ranjit Kumar Das, 75 years of age, who is a resident of Karimganj, Assam. He attended Nigram's emergency on 20th of September 2020 with multiple disorders like hypertension, type 2 diabetes mellitus with Parkinsonism and COVID-19 positive. That means he was tested positive from Assam itself and he was brought to Nigams for treatment for the other comorbidities.
Kiarut kiwe par ki Khlad bar ki badan jingkhen ha ke Jylla ki long kawai ka long kami ka bana Upper Jail Road ka batip kerteng kum ka Judika Ghosh South Reus nam kerta ka Khlad ha ka khat khandai trik unai lor ha ka por reu arpho janmet Barway par uday ubana Tripura ubana tip kerteng ka Mujoti Moy Sarma Sabu Pras nam kerta ubalawan Pak Sumar Hanigrims menha ka pratrik unai lor barula Khlad par ha ka khat khandai trik unai lor ha ka por san beje janmet Hanigrims Kajingkhen yu Jyoti Moy Sarma ubana Tripura ha kathup jong ka Jylla Meghalaya ka na marbo yo COVID-19 ha ka Jylla Meghalaya. Kajingkhen jikibla yap ha Meghalaya ka poi lai punyongut hadu benda ka sngi. Badia kajingkla jong Jyoti Moy Sarma on sekanti ula shai ka sngi ka arpo artrik unai lor ahaja arpo.
There was a report. This one has not been uploaded as yet, but we have received a report from Nigams. A patient by the name of Jyotimoy Sharma, 48 years, male, who is a resident of Tripura. He attended Nigram's emergency on the 8th of September 2020 with history of sudden loss of consciousness and difficulty in breathing. He was tested for COVID-19 and found to be positive. Treatment and overall management proper was provided to the patient, but he could not survive and expired on 19th of September 2020 at 5 p.m. in Nigams. The immediate cause of death they have given is septic shock with type 1 respiratory failure, COVID-19 pneumonia and intracerebral hemorrhage, that means bleeding in the brain. Nazareth Hospital on 19 September 2020. She expired on 19 September 2020 at 6:20 p.m. As per the records which we have received from Nazareth Hospital, the diagnosis given is COVID-19 with severe anemia, with thrombocytopenia, with cerebrovascular accident, which is still not fully diagnosed as such. They have given a question mark on that. And the cause of death is what I have just told you just now, the same thing.